you go. They're still eating jig. It's just not. It's not Fast and the Furious by any means, but they're still eating it. Oh, that's one. Come here. Little guy. They want the jig though. There's no doubt about it that they want the jig. We just gotta run across a big one. We just have not ran across a good fish so far today, and it's a little mind-blowing because we've been catching a good, like, we've been catching some numbers, and we've got a couple, I mean, decent ones. I wouldn't call them big by any means, but